Okay, let's have a good look at the total. Anyway, we're gonna have to declare some variables. Alright, now that this one is ready, so that's the reset. Okay, let's go in here, double click on total, and let's declare the following variables into total. So I will start by declaring as follows. So double, I'm going to call that discount, and declare another one for subtotal, one for tax, one for total itself. Alright, now let's say declare another one double. That will be cost per day, that is the amount we're charging per day, equals, let's assign that into double dot pause there, and that will be this very item here, this very component. So let's get the name and copy it here, copy that and paste that right in there, and comma, that's it. So whatever we enter in here is stored in here. And let's say dot get text, that is it, done. Now let's do another one. I'm just going to copy this, paste it right underneath there, and change this variable name to, let's call that set due day, and the due day in this case will happen to be this very one. Let's get that, copy that and paste that in there. Sorted. Okay, now for this very one here, number of days, let's get the name, copy that. I think I will create an object. Let's create an object here. So object number selected equals this dot get selected item, get selected item, yeah, there. Okay, now let's declare a string number of day, number of day equals number select, will be number selected, or select with number selected. This very one here, copy it and paste it here. Number selected dot set to string here and there. So I've now assigned this object to the string. Okay, so the next thing is, let's say double days selected equals, let's just copy all of these, paste that there, and do that. paste, and this time around I need that to be number of days. This one, copy that, paste it right in here. There. Okay, move it up. So the next thing is we now need to calculate the discounts. Let's work that out. This one, copy, paste that in there. So the discount will be cost of day multiply that by sets due day, and let's multiply that by days selected, multiply by days selected, and then let's divide it by 100 to give us a discount. Let's enter. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now let's take care of the subtotal. Subtotal, that is equals to all of these. Copy that, paste that in there, and here that will be discounts. Let's get the discount on board. Get rid of this, paste that in there for the subtotal. So this one will be plus, and enter a semicolon in there. Okay, now tax equals subtotal. Let's multiply that. Let's say our tax is 0.2. That's the tax. And then let's take care of total. Total equals tax plus subtotal. Yeah. So that is our total taken care of. Okay. Now we now need to assign everything into the object itself. Okay, let's try with a string, because that has to be converted. I sub total equals string dot format. Okay, what are we formatting? We want to format it to pound sign. Enter our pound sign there, and percentage, yeah, dot 2 decimal place. Right, and what are we formatting here? That is the argument, subtotal. That's for the subtotal right there. Then semicolon, and the subtotal is called JLabel subtotal dot set text equals there. That's correct. So that is now the subtotal. Okay, let's repeat the same thing for the tax. Let's get the tax on board. Copy that, paste that in there, change this one to iTax, and this become iTax as well. Now we need the tax here, there, and here we change this to tax. Okay, that's the tax taken care of as well. Now let's look after the total. So this one will be I total. That's the variable for that. Yeah, that's fine. This is total, and this is I total as well. And here, go to that. It's called idea. That's correct, and that is all for the total calculation, I reckon. So that's all. So let's run it and see. come in here first. One other thing I've just done is this, double click on that, so that means when you check that, this content goes straight into this information box there. The same thing was repeated for this. Okay, that's just one single line of code, and this as well here, and one more, this there. So those four are taken care of. And just before I run it, let me point your attention to this, and here I have entered in here the property, the model. I've entered the following dates, okay, to make life easy, and then just copy it for the rest of them. It's just exactly the same thing that was done. That is it right there, just for you to select dates. And that is that. Maybe we should even increase the font size. Let's see if we can increase the font. Yeah, yes we can. Select it all then. Let's click on that. Make it maybe 12. Alright. Okay, now let's try out the total, but before then let's increase this font size. Let me try to run this thing up. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's compile. Okay, now run it. Alright, now select the product. We select a product. We've been informed that it's £20 per day if you hire the pickup van, and this is the product code. So how many days do you intend to hire the pickup van for? So drop this down. Let's say you want it for 5 days. So all you just need to then do is to multiply this by this. Okay, do you have any credit? No, you have 0 credit. Do you have discount? Okay, maybe 6% discount. Okay, you have accepted the terms. Now credit check, yes. Payment due, no. Deposit paid, no. And how are you paying? Maybe MasterCard. So all you just need to do is now come in here, check. Okay, account open, yes, that was open 2015. Last renew 2016, and then review, that will be 2017. Application received, and so on. So you just come to total, click on total. That is it. So all we need to do now is to make sure when we click on total, a receipt is generated here as well. That's all we just need to do. So let's see if the reset works. There, the reset works, and exit works as well. So let's give that a go now, and that'll be the end of the program. Okay guys, from here down here are the lines of code for the receipt. Okay, enter that inside the total as well. So here is the total. Let's take it from here down here. That's the total. Have a good look at it, and write down here the receipt. Okay, so maybe we just enter something in there. That's the receipt. Alright, so let's run this program for you guys, and we can call it the end of the tutorial. Okay, so we select our products. Let's say we're renting out the electric generator, and here for how many days? Maybe 3 days. Credit limit maybe 2, and we have 3 days in there selected. Does it have a discount? No discounts. Terms agreed, and check, yes. Payment overdue, no. Deposit, nothing. Method of payment, Visa card, and all of this maybe let's change as you want. Okay, and just click on total. Right there we have the total there. If you add this and this together, you get this, and right there you get the product code, numbers of days, and so on right there. Okay, and you are advised to keep the receipt as a record. So with that, guys, I'll call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoyed. So with that, I'll say you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.